Can't believe I have to admit this, but I learned something from my father. Went to his house for Thanksgiving, and on the table were these beautiful lamps, right? One sitting here next to me because we went and we bought them because we were like, we have to have them. So what we'll do is I'll unbox it, talk to you about some of his features, some of the things you might be interested in, and I'll include some video of it outside on our table in a darker area, so you get a feel for how it lights. And then at the end, I will give you my overall impression of what we think of these things. So let me open it up, tell you a couple things about this while I am opening it up. Now, we are here on Amazon getting this, and the brand is Zafferano, and these are Pina lamps. And as much as that sounds like cool Italian stuff, they are manufactured in China. So that's not necessarily a negative thing. I think it's just a little bit of a surprise that we found when we got home and ordered these things that they were still coming from China. Okay, the first thing I need to tell you, this is not sponsored, so I can say things like this. I'm not sure I have ever seen an instruction manual this size for something as simple as a pre-assembled table lamp, but it is massive, and I just find it kind of entertaining. Hope you like that too. Let's talk about the lamp itself. A couple cool things about this, a couple things which are a little bit of a mystery. So they don't tell us specifically what size the battery is. Some of the other ones that you will see will say they have like a 5,000 milliamp hour battery and will last up to 40 hours. This does not tell you exactly the size of the battery, but they also give you a pretty reasonable and I think fair assumption on the battery life and how long they're gonna last, which is about 12 hours. One of the cool and maybe uncool things about this is you do need a separate charger to charge it, which is super cool. You just take it and put it on this, obviously plug in the USB, and it just sits on there and it charges, and then when you're gonna entertain guests, you pick it up, put it on the table, it's ready to go. Many of the other ones just have a conventional USB-C plug, which probably means you don't need to have a separate charger for it. You could just use your phone charger, but at the same time, this is just kind of simple, elegant, easy to do. You could decide whether that is of value to you or not. There are 3 different colors. Like most of these things, you just press it once, and you get, I'm sure you could see that, or at least I hope you could see that. You get a pretty bright and vibrant. This is a warm light. Press it again. Maybe I need to bust into this huge book to figure out how to change the color. Normally you just press it again and it changes the color. Okay, I will say I do find this entertaining. It says designed by Zafferano in Italy, but made in the People's Republic of China. Okay, so to change the color, you hold the button for 4 seconds, turns blue, which you can't see because it's under your finger, but there it is. And then when you press it, we got the full-on warm yellowish kind of light. This is that mix. This would be like a daylight equivalent. Although I will say for me, I don't know if you could see it there or not, you could kind of see the striations in the different LEDs, which is a little interesting look. And then this is full white. Might actually, I think it's the shadow from the pole. In any case, the whole area is a bright white there. That's good. I personally am a fan of that warm light. Obviously, you've seen it outside, so you know what it looks like at our table outside in the dark. Overall, this thing is designed really nicely. Almost seems like it would be designed by Germans and then made to look pretty by Italians, and then built by the Chinese. In any case, it really does work well. It works perfectly. We've enjoyed it. It is awesome. It is IP54, which is water and dust resistant. Obviously, don't take it and go swimming with it, but basic life outside, it should be just fine. In any case, I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.